Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys and guys and guys. Derrick is pleading out to the Prime Minister of Jamaica can help me. He is the only person can help me right now. Forget a place of safely, a place to live right now. The election time come up and I want to find somewhere and go right now, Mr. Prime Minister. Because every day, Prime Minister, made the ups and down on the road in the park and everybody had sent check for me. May I come at the park for you? May I come at the park come do this and may I come at the park come do this? Yes. Van man, bus man, everybody, bike man, everybody. I try to send check to Uncle Derrick. I tired of it, Mr. Prime Minister. I'm appealing to everybody. Hear Uncle Derrick I plead out this evening right now. Yes, me not know if you leave. Somebody want to say, oh, me go to the park. The park I told me I talk. I did the same say me live. I may go park go do him this and do him that and do him this and do him that. That is the whole thing they must say I'm gonna do. A park. I'm like my body. Everybody then come to the park and whenever they don't stone me then take picture. Then every man have thing. So I'm appealing out to the Prime Minister this evening to help out Uncle Derrick. Me I beg no. Reach out for the Prime Minister up at Jamaica House. Even the secretary for and the owners see this video and pass on the video because I'm going to arm like my body tomorrow in the park. Me I beg you to help me. Everybody reach out to the Prime Minister morning. I'm going to arm like my body tomorrow morning in the park. Me I beg for help. Crying out for help. No. You know me now go down now. And the meeting to them, but me feel bad. I'm even dropped down. I say me drop down today. Cause me done, you know, me stand up across Excelsior School and I look that side I go over there. I me drop down, I have to go back home, go lie down. A week, yeah. What happened to Nikki from Blamdem lose the match? We not hear no from Nikki. I want to see Nikki company on the TikTok and I talk about Blamdem and the music and everything. Where's Nikki Samaj? Where's Nikki Samaj? Come tell me about Blamdem lose the match. Eh? Where is Nikki Samaj? Where is Nikki Samaj? Come out. Almost every night we used to see Nikki come out at night time and them a play a match and them are not people business and people business. When I hear nothing about the match and she come and say the thing about Blamdem and the match, I when I hear nothing about him again and say go work. So talk your mother and now we don't hear nothing. When I hear from nobody, everybody a flap now I come off a TikTok and I get flap on the number one. Brother Lee, she know she does have a bad many people them give. I check how much money Damien get. Me say Rosalie bad, everybody me here today. I say Rosalie bad mind people and she want go number one and she can't go number one. My man I get number one. Then just kick them blood clot Jaden for number one. Jaden, you can't get my blood clot number one. You have to sit down and rest your pussy good. Yeah, rest your pussy good. And your makeup brush. You may have blood clot makeup brush, boy. The whole of una flap na bamba clot. When if you go down to blood clot, go down. Not to hype. And hype now gonna wear a bumper clot. Not to pussy clot hype. And me I say hype now got blood clot. You saw the one that go on. Where is Nikki? Where is Nikki now for your bumper clot? Where is Nikki for your bumper clot? I mean, we don't hear about the blood clot music. Already bobbed. Already bobbed. I hear that thing of blood clot. Last night, I lost it from my life last night. Missy Rosalie jump on from my life. Now they comment. But other, me not Rosalie come class me and bring me down. Rosalie more bitter, you know. Rosalie more bitter no blood clot. Bitter. I come trace. But me tell her brother if you come Monday come trace me. Not last night. You're too late. Come Monday night. Come trace me. Cause I want you to come tell me about my underneath a drop out today. Rosalie come tell me about my underneath a drop out. Because you have a story to tell about people. I want people there. I don't want people that suck. I want people that bite. I don't want people that this. I want you to come tell everybody today. Yes, you Miss Rosalie.